What's up, my good people? Welcome to ICO Reviews, and today is time to review Inflr Ico, and you may call it Influence if you want. Now, the first blockchain-based platform that connects advertisers to influencers with proof of influence algorithm. Well, this is all about there are a lot of people who are social media influencers who have huge amount of followers on Instagram, on Facebook. There are a lot of YouTubers who have millions, hundreds of thousands of subscribers. An advertiser needs these people to advertise their products. Gone are the days where you need to advertise only on radio, on television. Well, many advertisers are moving towards the internet, speaking with different YouTubers, even ICOs, and all the rest, and different organizations, trying to advertise their product, their organization on it. So influencers are going to be like the middleman there. Now, every social media influencer is registered on the platform. Now, influencer will be able to see how many subscribers they have. 10,000 subscribers, for example, on YouTube. Then they will give the rating for the influencers. And advertisers who need 10,000 subscribers on YouTube is okay for them. 10,000 followers on this and on that and all the rest. Then they will be able to link up with the influencers and advertise on it, which I believe is a good idea. Many people out there who are social media influencers, who have Instagrams, who have YouTube, a lot of YouTubers, they need advertisers to keep them going because it takes time to edit their videos, to make their videos, to buy a new camera, and they need to live. They need money for living, as you know. So this is indeed a nice project. In my thought, is a nice project. Now let's scroll down. And you can see the difference now for advertisers, for influencers, what they hope to achieve here. Now let's go to this roadmap. 2015, Vinta company starts influence platform development. Imagine that is about 3 years ago. And 2020, 2022, different things they hope to achieve in their roadmap. Now, Tiago Matheus, the co-founder, Bruno Nero, the co-founder too, Tiago Cavalcante, and all the rest, senior developer, Felipe De Ramirez, and all these people. And what I love about the website is this is a real website to me. It's not just a kind of Mickey Mouse website. Beautiful, good pictures and all the rest. The legal team is here, and they have the advisors. You may know of Ismail Malik. He is one of the advisors for Uber's token, and this guy too is well known. So they have a whole lot of good advisors, in my own personal opinion. Yeah, but they have the brand ambassadors here too. They have comedian actors, another comedian here too, so you can contact them here. Now also you can purchase the token. You have the pre-sale is open and you are going to have a 30% bonus, which is ideal, which is nice. And you can buy with Ethereum, with Bitcoin Cash, with Litecoin, and if you have PayPal, you can use PayPal to purchase this ICO, which is awesome in my opinion. Now, the white paper is also well put together, so I encourage you to go through the white paper, read it through, and see what it's all about. Sorry, let me scroll down here. Okay, so one influencer is 0.0025 Ethereum. They will be selling 140 million of it. Reserve for founder and team members 40 million. and total is 400 million total supply, which is good. So let's see them on ICO bench. You can see 4.1 rating here. Based on Ethereum platform, no investment is 500 INFLR. Soft cap is 2000 Ethereum. Hard cap is 25,200 Ethereum. They are based in Cayman Island. You need the KYC and you need to get whitelisted for this ICO. They have 609 followers on their Twitter, Telegram 18,000, and on the laser ranking there are more visitors from United States. Next is United Kingdom, Ukraine, Russia, and France. More overall, I believe this is a nice project. This is something unique, something nice, and I will leave the link below for you to sign up for this ICO if you want to. You can sign up for this ICO if you want to. So, but do not forget, anything I've said in this video is strictly my own personal opinion. Do not take it as a financial advice. It's my own opinion. So thank you for watching my review videos. I love you guys. Please, before you go, sign up or subscribe to my channel. I mean, subscribe, hit the like button and click on the notification bell so that when I bring more videos, more reviews, you'll be among the first to watch my video. Thank you. I love you guys, and until next time I come your way, this is ICO Reviews.